how to make a PowerPoint presentation loop or repeat itself. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can make a PowerPoint presentation loop or repeat itself. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your PowerPoint presentation. Once you have opened it up, navigate to the toolbar at the top and from there head towards transition, so click on it. Now on the transition, navigate to the top right corner. There under the section that says after. So first of all, set up your timer as 2 seconds and after that make sure to click on after. Now click on apply to all. Once you have done that, again head towards the slideshow from the toolbar at the top, so click on slideshow. Now go to the setup slideshow. Once you have this pop-up box, here under show options, there you'll find an option as loop continuously until skip, so click on it. After that, click on OK. Now once you present your presentation, it's gonna loop or repeat itself. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.